Hello everyone. If you want to use Notebook Alert for fishing writer, how can you manage? So, if you're the one who loves to write fishing, you also want to use Notebook Alert for some ideas, and you can also insert for your outline. You can get help from Notebook Alert as well. So, trying to see how to use Notebook Alert for fishing writer. Okay, so go ahead to your notebooklm.com first and try to create new notebook here. Okay. Okay, so this is your home screen, and if you want to upload files or websites or drive, if you're working as a fiction writer, you can add your draft information here. You can also add your draft board here and just upload. And what we have to do is try to improve our fishing and to attract the audience. So how to use. So just upload your character profile, outlines, and word baiting notes here. You can paste from your PDFs and you can insert here, right? So ask a question about the story consistency as well. You can also ask them ideas and advice from your notebook as well. So if you want to ask for brainstorm new ideas to put in this fishing, you can ask help from here. So each way generate by reading your source, and you will be able to get a larger idea for NotebookLM AI as well. So if you want to get report or audio review, you can also use other function as well. But if you're working as a fiction writer, I think NotebookLM is really important to use because in some case, if you got um, nothing in your brain and you just want to brainstorm your new idea, you can ask from here. And if you found the thing that you like, and you can just insert to your fishing as well. So that's how to use Notebook Alert for fishing radar, guys. After getting the idea, go ahead to your draft again and just insert the thing that you got from Notebook Alert. So I hope this gonna help you a lot. Thank you so much and see you bye guys.